so afraid just to say a hello. Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger, we never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast it's hard to see the sea.
Eat my breakfast and then get on the road. I'm gonna go to Active, like some uptown furniture stores, and show you all the differences. You know, not saying like anything about Bashco, but Bashco's more affordable. So we're gonna see what these expensive people are trying to charge us. Yeah. I don't really hold on. Hot. I don't really go for scrambled eggs, but the pot was very hot and it was like sticking to the bottom, so I couldn't flip it. So I'm gonna just decide to scramble it up. But I got bacon, sausage, bread, and I got my cranberry juice. I love drinking cranberry juice. It's great for the vaginal health. I need to take cranberry pills, the little vitamin pills. Until then, I'm gonna stick to my juice. I'll see you guys when I head out when I'm on the road. All right, guys, so I'm in Kohler's, this Tile City and Home Center, and they have some really beautiful fixtures here. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of it, but they are very pricey. I think this is definitely for your kitchen. I love black fixtures. Black fixtures are everything. Stainless steel black fixtures, beautiful. I'm going to show you some of their bathrooms, but these are for the sinks. Just imagine that black thing with this. Beautiful.
Living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing.
I knew it.
I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to.
My skin not looking too shabby, guys. I just knew it because like I'm looking at this, I'm like, this looks like it's very thin, so it wouldn't look like anything. But all of these opened, and this one opens this way. Basically the same thing but reversed. Oh, and that's adjustable. Cool. This is definitely luxury fixtures. These fixtures are nice. Guys, this is another one that looks so amazing. It has a microphone. Press here to experience my voice control abilities. Wow. So it has Alexa installed. But does it open? Oh, it's one of those old-time adjusted mirrors. I saw one. I didn't watch the video, but it was Kendall Jenner's house tour, and I believe she has a gold circle one. But I like the marble. Well, it looks like marble. I don't know if it's marble, but it looks really nice. Look at these are so beautiful, aren't they? They're different sinks. This one looks really cool. And that one. They look really beautiful. And here are the prices, guys. The highest price I'm seeing is $854,000. The lowest price I'm seeing is $16,000. They're beautiful. This is probably one of my biggest pet peeves, guys. Some of these things don't have prices on them, and then the item itself doesn't have prices on it. So it's frustrating. Worse when you don't want to talk to nobody and you're forced to. Can't find them. Anyways, I'm not stay too long in here. I want to find out if I can repaint the room white before I go and take up myself and buy paint and paintbrush. But at least I know they have it. So what we just saw, this is the other part of the store. This is $1,000 for one paintbrush. I don't know how much paintbrushes normally cost, so I can't say if it's expensive or no. Oh, this one's $949. Oh no, I lied. This one isn't $949. This one is $949. Not bad. This one's $600. Okay, so I guess these prices aren't bad, but then again, I don't know paintbrush prices. Alright guys, I'm gonna go walk around, and if I see anything else interesting, I'll show you all. But this is like a Home Depot. Yeah, basically. So I'm back at the thrift store, and I want to buy this dresser, but there's a hole in it. I didn't see that, and it's like very hard to close. So if it's not working, I want to DIY flip it, but we got problems, so I'm gonna have to figure that out and come back. But it's like a warehouse with stuff. It's really cool, and they're affordable. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so we had to screw off the beams to get it to fit and take out the drawers. Oh, I can't wait. I don't think I want to paint it after all. I don't know, because it's mahogany. Let me know what you guys think. So we're going to put it in now. Good morning, vlog. So I'm going over to the house. Chad is gonna help me move my mattress and some stuff that I have in Dwayne Park over to the house, and I be traveling with my fan. Yeah, I travel with my fan now because it's hot, okay? And if I'm in the house, what the hell is that noise? If I'm in the house, I'm gonna make sure that I got breeze. But it's pretty, there's a fair amount of wind over there. There's a fair amount of wind, so can't complain. But at night time, we do need the fan. So I'm gonna put it in the back of the car and put it in the back of the car and then head over to Dwayne Park and get the stuff ready for Chad.
Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore.
Guys, I just want to jump in with an update from this morning. Chad came with the van. We got the bed from Kyle, and then we also went to pick up some other stuff that I had in storage. I couldn't pull out the camera because I was doing a lot of work as well, because it was only Chad that came, so I had to really, you know, help to lift up the bed and all them something and the barrel them that I had. Yeah, So what we're going to do now is we're doing something for Chad in my car down by half a tree. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head back to the van, and then bring the things to Portmore. So once I get to that part, then I'll just prop the camera somewhere and show you guys it from there. So just letting you know, that's why there's not much showing and telling of what's going on.
I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel how I used to. I don't hear from you like I used to.
Yeah.
Living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing.
So you're not afraid to tired the way the young tired in the, or it's not that soft. You see what's cool about the camera that I like? Even though the road is shaky and bumpy.
Ready?
Yeah, it have a stabilization in it. Really
Stabilizer.
Hmm?
Have a stabilizer.
Yeah.
Bike
Real
now, man, they have that, you know. Bike is that. Stabilizer. Aye. Your earphone a ring?
No?
Yeah. In my left pocket.
Alright. Hold on. Alright guys, back to the road.
Hey, so your number one fan them here, you know.
Huh? In the gas station, I need to buy some oil. To be honest, I need to buy some cooking oil because I used it all last night when I fried my chicken. What are you guys doing for Independence Day, whether you're abroad or in Jamaica? Leave a comment down below letting me know what you're doing for tomorrow. Let me get back. Bye.
You love this video?
Huh?
You love video? Video my brother one. We'll get you in this way.
Yeah. And if we could put this in a like one next video, tomorrow video.
You know, if you have a life, you know.